it must go under your heel. But in time you'll find fear of an